how to grow an Instagram account from scratch. If you're someone that started Instagram, or you want some more tips on how to do your Instagram, or you want something on the side, maybe you're in a job right now and you're looking for something that you can start building, this is going to be the best video for you. Super excited to have you on board. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and joining the family. We are pumping out videos almost every day to help you with that knowledge, to help you further forward. Just to give you a heads up, I run my own social media marketing agency. I was a behavioral therapist for over 10 years, so I've really got the answers that you're searching for. You're here searching for the knowledge, and the knowledge is what you're going to get. So make sure you lean down, subscribe to the channel, and I'll look forward to serving you. My name is Ed J.C. Smith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. All right, without further ado, let's dive into my computer and I'll show you step by step on how you can do it. The things to focus on, what's the best kind of vehicle for you, and so you can actually utilize this straight away. How to grow an Instagram account from scratch. I get asked this all the time. I wanted to do a quick video so you could start thinking about this. Get some notes, write it down. It's really important, okay? Starting from scratch, first of all right, ask your friends, what advice are you best at doing? All right, information sharing is very powerful. It's a great business. And so start thinking about that people are always giving advice. What do your friends ask you to advise them on? All right, we're all coaches. We've all coached someone. You might as well get paid for it, right? If you were to choose a hard product, what would you choose? Maybe supplements, beauty, I don't know, right? E-commerce is a brilliant business, but you have to decide what your Instagram profile is going to be about first of all. All right, what are you passionate about? What do you love talking about? Are you a comedian? Do you like doing skits, etc.? Whatever, you decide, what your Instagram is going to be about around what you love, and then you'll end up doing it. Because if you don't love it, to be honest, you're probably just going to give up. All right, what content do you like reading, watching, and why? All right, so therefore, if you love blogging, then maybe write a blog. If you love watching YouTube videos, then you could start a YouTube channel just on other people's YouTube videos, right? That's what a lot of people do. What you already consume is probably the best thing to start with. So organic growth depends on some strong roots, okay? Never focus on the number of followers. Number one, quality beats quantity. I work on building my quality all the time. I think consistency is very important, and I think the amount of stuff that you put out is important as well. So if you can just, take your perfectionism score down from 10 to 7 and just pump it out quicker, that is where it's at, my friend. The goal is you want your clients to love you, trust you, and buy into you and your concepts. Okay, so don't worry about if it's only 100 people. If it's 100 people, awesome. Imagine 100 people in a room, all right? And so when people think, I need 1 million people following me, you don't. Run Facebook ads, etc., and Instagram ads, and if your product services work straight away, then you'll actually make money. There's a lot of influencers that don't make any money and have these big accounts. All right, decide what's more important to you, service to others or your ego, because you cannot take followers to the bank. Have you ever tried that one? You take some followers to the bank, have they paid you for it? No. Okay, so make sure that you're doing something that's monetizable, that's scalable, that you love, that you're passionate about, and build a real culture around your service and your product. Replace followers with true fans every day of the week. That is what you need to start from. Start from scratch is all about making sure that that business is about what? Giving value, right? What is value though? Value is to someone different to someone else. Why? Because it's purely based on what you can get someone out of pain. That's what value is, all right? Out of pain and into pleasure. People will do more to get out of their pain than they will ever do to gain a pleasure. So if you can solve a pain quick and fast, then you will build quick. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Comment below. Let me know how you're getting on. As always, subscribe, and I'll look forward to serving you consistently. My name is Ed J.C. Smith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. No matter what happens, never give up on your dreams, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.